Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable reminder smart suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. Next, scroll down and then tap on advanced features. Now we go down and tap on smart suggestions. Tap on the left hand side panel. From here, make sure smart suggestions is switched on. Now scroll down and then tap on the reminder toggle button to turn off or switch on smart suggestions for reminder. This will allow you to get suggestions for reminders to add based on your messages and other activity. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.